good way to use capital is best talents, hire best talents. Yeah. And the second things is kind of like a following. We need to prepare the best environment for the best talents to work easily,
Okay, I see. Thank you for
Yes.
the answer. Um, for the second one, a lot of entrepreneurs meet challenges when it comes to spending that raise capital, such as,
Mm.
say, costing or how they start up how they use their capital. And so, what are your 5 tips for using those capital properly and carefully?
Okay. This one is actually you said five, but I can find only two.
Oh, it's all right.
Sorry about this.
Okay.
Okay, first things you have to do is use the capital to hire best talents.
Mm,
Hmm. Maybe this is the most important things because economy is changing and our product might be changed, and once the vision stays, you know, and how we proceed the business from now on to the future, you know, the one who can think about it is especially founders, but also if we have our best talents, good CTO, COO, or managers, if we have a best talents, we can go to their better place, better direction, together. Yeah. So for me, I think only good way to use capital is best talents, hire best talents. Yeah. And the second things is kind of like a following. We need to prepare the best environment for the best talents to work easily, Uh, we don't need to be like a really gorgeous, some for me, some startup, decorate a lot for their office, like fancy furnitures, but I believe we don't need it. Yeah, maybe it depends on the culture of the startup. Yeah, but yeah, I want to prepare like a minimum uh, best environment for them, for easy to work, who can concentrate, who can communicate with the members well, so this is our duty as a company, as a CEO.
I
Mhm.
see. Thank you for your answer. It
Mhm.
was really insightful to see that
Mhm.
you you plan to use the capital for your employees. Once again,
Yeah,
it really seems like you really
yeah,
um,
yeah. And
appreciate
one thing,
them.
sorry about uh, I don't use the word employer and an employee.
Oh,
Yeah, yeah, because they're which sounds like separated, right?
mm,
Employer and employee, So I always use members. Yeah,
okay.
I'm the members and they're members too. Yeah,
And that's nice to hear. Feels like you're part of the team, not an
yeah, yeah, yeah.
employee. Yeah.